Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with episode 8 of my card walkthroughs from my cards done in January and February. I am going to, oh, and look, I had gotten rid of the sun going through, and now the sun is back peeking through, so I have to go move my blinds. And I'll be right back. There we go. The sun keeps moving. All right, so this uses the DSP from Celebration that just finished up yesterday. If you didn't get a chance to get this paper, you can always go on the secondary market and find it, probably for a good long while, because this was the fat stack of 48 sheets, so there's many sheets to go around. This uses Share a Milkshake and the die cuts. This uses the light blue glimmer. I believe it is a current product. I will dig up and put that on my blog. I used the blue and white trim that is also in the current mini, and I made it and just tucked it in underneath, made it kind of crisscross. It actually, when it's not covered, it looks like a breast awareness ribbon. This was colors. We picked a color theme to work with that also coordinates with the paper, and I just think it came out really nice. The pin that we used really was straight vertical. It was the round, the milkshake, this double-sided fish tail banner, and then another round, so it was very linear, and I wanted everything offset, and I added more dimension to it for what I was after, as well as popped up the sentiment, popped up the milkshake and the banner. I love this this little grid die cut, and the little pieces look like confetti, so I've been using those quite a bit. And so I didn't even add any other embellishing to this, and I didn't add any trim. So perhaps I will add trim. I could see using a metal wrapped Hobby Lobby twine. I could also go more on the simple side and just use a solid color from the Stampin' Up Basics. If you have an opinion of what trim would go good on this very busy card, please put it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. That's all I've got for this one. I still have a few more to go, but I am over halfway done with the gauntlet of getting through all of my cards that I need to get walkthroughs done. You can leave the comments here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.